bounds.
Hi guys! So today we will have our another TikTok tutorial, okay? So now I am going to teach you how to dance the row row your boat. Okay, are you ready? So let's go with our step 1. Our step 1 is just you do your hand like this. It's like you are holding the paddle, okay? And then 1, the left side, your left hand is on the top, and then your right side is on the bottom, okay? So now let's do like this. Slide 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay, let's go with our step 2. Our step 2 is just wave your hand like this. Okay? Everybody, can you show me? Wave your hand like this. And then your body is like one side, 2. Okay? One more time. 1, 2. Okay? Our step 3 is just hold your hand like this. Put your hands together and then side, 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 and side. Okay? One more time. Put your hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So that is our step 3. Now let's go with our step 4. Our step 4 is just we use our right hand and our left hand. Our right hand is just flick your cheek like this and then raise your right hand up. Okay? And then close while your left hand you put in your chest. Okay? And then close. And then you do like this. Okay? One more time. Flick. Okay? Again, one more time. Flick. Okay? Okay, so that is our step 4. Now let's go with our step 5. In our step 5, we are going to use our hands, both hands, and our elbows. Okay, elbows. So first, your elbows in the right, like this. You do like this, and then elbows to the left, like this. So, follow me. 1, 2. Okay, after that, your right hand, close your right hand, and then close your left hand. While your left hand is on the bottom, while your right hand is on the top. So you do like this, and then it's like you are driving. You roll your right hand like this, and this, and this. Okay? 3 times. Roll your hands like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Okay, so that is our step 5. Now let's go with our last step, which is the step 6. Okay? So our step 6 is just very, very easy. It's like you clap your hands like this, in front, clap your hands, and then while your hands is going up, your body is wiggle your body like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Again. Up and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. Okay, so that is our TikTok tutorial. Now let's go and dance. Okay.